For those cases when someone in your team made a mistake with the price of some products, if they forgot to add some tax to the price, or another reason why you need to increase the price of pending orders after informing your customers of the mistake, you would need to spend hours making this change on the orders individually. To help you with that, in this video, you'll learn how to increase prices on pending orders using WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin. This plugin allows you to view and manage your WooCommerce orders in a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet contains advanced search filters and allows you to edit orders in bulk. You can also export and import your WooCommerce orders using CSV files. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Before we edit the prices, we'll search for all pending orders. To do this, let's start by opening the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select the status field. Now leave equal as the operator. And choose pending payment here. Finally, run the search, and the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now that we've searched for all pending orders, let's increase their prices in bulk. To do this, we must hover our mouse over the bulk edit tool, and we'll see several options displayed, but the ones we'll focus on will be these here. We can choose to increase the product prices by percentage or by number. In this case, I'll do it by percentage, so I'll select this option, which will open the bulk edit tool. Here we can select the rows we want to edit, in this case they'll be the ones from my current search. Now we have to enter the percentage that will decrease here. And execute. As you can see, bulk increasing prices on all pending orders using the WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin was really easy and fast. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.